Cpim bodolni nokha salthamni romui haste committee ni kaisa program pandawa manjana bagai Tripura Phaikha Phaikha Cpim Haktor beremni Tangphang MA Baby abono kitingai tini bono khatungui bodoro lamsoklaimani nokjakha mangpliwo pandawa manjana phaipro.
Lot of disruption, chaos and corruption with regard to our examinations, including the NEET. Narendra Modi was trying to protect him, but the student agitation swelled. The CJP played an important role in that, but everybody knows SFI, ISF, ISA and such organized progressive student organizations also played an important role. Finally, the education minister had to go. We are not satisfied with that alone because the entire anti-student education policy, the NEP, needs to be rewritten. Along with that, there was this election result of Bangipur, which is a BJP stronghold. For 3 decades, BJP was dominating that constituency, which is actually part of Patna, the capital of Bihar. And BJP lost that by-election. The vacancy was created with the president of BJP, new president of BJP, who vacated that seat. These two incidents show that Mr. Narendra Modi and the BJP rule, last days are being counted now. So it is very, very important. So in such a situation, left would definitely emerge as a powerful force. In the Jantar Mandar agitation, left was a very important component. And throughout the country, workers, peasants, students, youths, women, all of them were in the struggle front. There was all India working class struggle, peasant struggle. In Tripura also, the agitation of the workers was very, very powerful. In the city of Agartala, you have all seen how the workers have come united to raise the voice of their demands. So this is going to have a very big impact in the coming political situation.
Sir, we often find the BJP and its alliance, particularly Tripura Motha party, they, despite being in alliance, before election, they start a fight against each other. And how do you see into this? What is the reason behind? How you look into when the tripartite agreement is not being fulfilled also, even after more than 2.5 years?
Agreement is not being fulfilled, and there are internal problems within BJP and Tripura Motha, and they have problems between them, and that was very much visible in the tribal autonomous district council elections. They fought, they physically fought also. So problems within these parties will come out in the coming days. Okay.